Welcome to our tutorial on building a data summary report using Java. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're working with business data, survey results, or any data set, knowing how to summarize data is an invaluable skill. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss what a data summary report typically includes. A data summary report highlights key metrics, averages, totals, and other statistics that provide insights into the dataset. For our example, we'll use a simple dataset that represents sales data. We will summarize total sales, average sales, the maximum sale, and the minimum sale. Let's start by creating a simple Java class to represent our sales data. We will call this class sale. It will have attributes for the ID, amount, and date of the sale. Here's how our sale class looks. It contains three properties: ID, amount, and date, along with a constructor and getter methods to access these properties. Next, we'll create a sales report class that will contain our logic for generating the summary report. This class will have a list to hold our sales and methods to perform calculations. In the sales report class, we have a list that will contain sales records and a method addSale to add sales data to our list. Now let's implement methods to calculate the total sales, average sales, minimum sale, and maximum sale. We will create methods named getTotalSales, getAverageSales, getMinSale, and getMaxSale. The getTotalSales method accumulates the amounts of all sales to find the total. The getAverageSales uses the total from getTotalSales divided by the number of sales. For the minimum and maximum sales, we use Java streams to get the min and max values from a list of sales. Next, let's implement a method that generates a summary report using the information from our calculations. The GenerateReport method accumulates all the calculated metrics and formats them into a human-readable report. We are now ready to test our implementation. Let's create a main method in another class to test our report generation. We will generate mock sales data and add it to our sales report instance. In the main class, we instantiate a sales report, populate it with sample sales, and then print out the generated report. Now let's run it to see our summary report in action. Here's what you should see in the console. It should display the total, average, minimum, and maximum sales based on the data we've added to the report. Now that we have our basic data summary report, a common enhancement is to output the summary in different formats such as JSON or CSV. This is especially handy when sharing the report with others or integrating with other systems. In the GenerateJSON report method, we utilize the JSON library to convert our summary metrics into a JSON format. Make sure to add the JSON library to your project dependencies to run this code successfully. You can find it on Maven Central or include it via Gradle. After adding the JSON report generation, you can call this method in your main method to see how it outputs the report in JSON format. So now, when you run your program, you should see both the textual report and the JSON report in the console. To recap, we have built a sale class, created a sales report class that can generate detailed summary statistics, and then enhanced our report generation to output JSON format using the JSON library. We also learned about data processing using Java streams. This tutorial showcased the ability to summarize data effectively, which can be adapted to various data sets and reporting requirements. You can now use these concepts in your own projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more programming content. Feel free to leave your comments or questions below, and we'd be happy to help. Happy coding!